Hey, if your microphone is not working on the NVIDIA application, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So all you have to do is just to enter for this option in the right side, then click on the settings icon on the left corner and go into the audio. Now select source and be sure that you selected your current microphone. And to check your microphone, you'll have to actually go into the right bottom corner on the taskbar, click on the speaker icon. We have to close this overlay, so this is one more time, and now go into the sound settings. So now from this, just focus on the input and be sure that you select your microphone. So as you can see, in my case, I've got the microphone from the SteelSeries Sonar, so that's why my microphone is not working. So I have to go back here, and now I have to select my SteelSeries microphone. Also, if there's any issue, you can turn on the boost and volume. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.